Today I'm sharing real English sentences used in daily work life in Europe. If you want to speak naturally and confidently, this video is for you. Lesson 4. Let's get started. I start my morning with a clear mind. I tell myself that today will be a good day. I try to avoid negative thoughts. Staying positive helps me stay strong. Every day brings a new chance to improve. I use that chance wisely. I prepare my clothes the night before. It saves time in the morning. I check my phone for any important updates. Then I leave home with confidence. I walk towards the bus stop with a relaxed mood. The morning sky looks beautiful. I like the quiet streets. I meet workers from many countries. Everyone has their own story. I respect their journey. The bus arrives and I get in calmly. I always greet the driver politely. Kindness costs nothing. I find a comfortable seat to relax. I think about my goals while traveling. I remind myself why I work so hard. I want to support myself and my family. That thought inspires me. I listen to English audios on the way. It improves my speaking skills. Learning a little every day makes a big difference. I enjoy the ride and stay positive. Soon I reach my workplace. I step inside with confidence. I greet the security guard with a smile. Showing respect makes me feel good. I check my shift timing again. I prepare myself mentally for the tasks ahead. A good mindset leads to good performance. I greet my coworkers warmly. A friendly environment helps us work better. I organize my tools before starting. Preparation helps me work smoothly. I begin my tasks with focus. I avoid rushing at the beginning. I take time to understand each task. Understanding first saves mistakes later. I follow all the rules carefully. Safety is a top priority. I keep my workspace clean. A clean space increases productivity. I check instructions before doing something new. Instructions guide me correctly. I stay calm even during busy hours. I know pressure is part of the job, but I handle pressure with patience. Patience makes me stronger. I ask for help when needed. Asking does not make me small. It shows I want to do things right. I learn something new every day. Learning gives me confidence. I improve my skills slowly. Improvement takes time. I stay positive when tasks are difficult. I remind myself that challenges help me grow. I focus on solutions instead of problems. Good thinking leads to good results. I talk respectfully with coworkers. Respect creates harmony. I help others when they need support. Helping builds a strong team. Teamwork makes any job easier. I enjoy working with a good team. I take small breaks to relax. Breaks help me think clearly. I drink water to stay fresh. Staying hydrated keeps me active. I avoid unnecessary stress. Stress makes everything harder. I try to stay calm in every situation. Calmness brings clarity. I apologize if I make a mistake. Apologizing shows maturity. I stay honest in my work. Honesty builds trust. I believe trust is the foundation of teamwork. I try to finish tasks on time. Time management is important. I double check my work for accuracy. Accurate work brings better results. I stay responsible in every duty. Responsibility shows character. I focus on giving my best. At the end of the shift, I clean everything. I return all tools to their proper place. Cleanliness helps the next worker. I report to my supervisor politely. I let them know I'm done for the day. I thank my coworkers for their support. A simple thank you means a lot. I walk out of the workplace peacefully. I feel proud of my hard work. I return home with satisfaction.